Muhammad Hussain Shah. Welcome to our own channel, Dubai Driver 512. It's your own channel. I am requested to all my subscribers and newcomers who have never subscribed before, please subscribe the channels and push the bell icon button because all informative video have shown on your mobile screens. A lot of friends have requested to me, please you make a video in English language. So today we try to make a video in English language. We start the video with the name of Allah, who made the whole world with a very beautiful colors. Today our topic is how we get the transport Dubai visa and how we open the file. So if you get from anywhere, for example from travel agent, you get the transport visa. Otherwise in our communities a lot of people have their friends and their relatives who have working in transport company. If they will give the transport company visa, they must your passport, valid passport, and your own country ID cards and passport size photos. First of all, they will approve your temporary visa and they will give you agreements, salary agreements and working hour agreements. When you will be duly signed and returned back to agreements, then they will put a visas. When visa approved, company he will send you that visa. You make a color copy and you do your own country process. For example, in our country Pakistan, you must do protector in Gulf countries, and then insurance, then medical checkups, and some other issues if you have, then solve them. So when your dad's procedures are done, then you make tickets for Dubai Airlines or Sharjah or Abu Dhabi, whichever you came, which city you came. So when you came here in Dubai, Sharjah, Abu Dhabi, then again when you reached, then again your fresh medical checkup. If you get past that medical checkup reports, then their company put the permanent transport visa for you. When your employment visa done, then you first of all you make Emirates ID card. When you get Emirates ID card, then you will go to Dubai driving school or any other state, whichever you have get the transport visa. A driving school need some documents. First of all, they need Emirates ID card. Then second one is the visa photocopy, and third one is the eye test. Eye test, you must eye test which RTA authorized branches. You go there and make a eye test. That's documents they need, and you will deposit some monies and they will open your driving files. When your file open, you have two choices. One is the regular classes and second one is the lump sum classes. I will little explain about lump sum classes. Lump sum classes means you pay one time money to school. For example, I will give you example. For example, you pay one time 12,000. Now it's the school duty. He will open your files. He will giving the RTA test, parking test, reverse test, then the road final test. If you fail, and again they will deposit your classes money, means till end, when up to your lessons getting, all pay school pays, all due school pays. So that is a lump sum classes. A lot of people who have not much knowledge, not driving skills, means newcomer, they will choose that lump sum classes. Other one is the regular classes. In regular classes, again you have two choices. One is the 40 classes, and second, if you have your own country driving lessons, for example Pakistan, India, Bangladesh, UK, Bahrain, etc. So if you have a valid driving lessons, they will give you half classes, means 40 classes they will reduce classes and giving 20 classes. RTA, they will pick your signal test through computers online. If you get passed, then other classes starts. In school, they will get reverse try, parking tries. All these are getting from school management. Then last is the final road try. Final road try must be given by police or RTA. A lot of our friends and peoples who are suffering in driving schools, because sometimes they have less knowledge, sometimes they are confused, sometimes they getting tensions, at that they will lose the lessons. But at least one day came, they will get a lessons. I pray for all those people who are suffering and struggling in driving school for getting the lessons. Sometimes it's your luck, and you get on first attempt lessons, but you must have driving skills, because police and RTA, they don't they need only who have road sense, mentally they have knowledge, who will follow the rules and regulations, they will accept it, that one. So I hope, and our best wishes always with our subscribers and viewers, inshallah ta'ala, that program which we will start on English language, we will put some videos which our subscribers and viewers required. Inshallah we make that one. So give me permission for next video. I say Allah Hafiz.